If your heat pump is stuck and won't switch between heating and cooling like it's supposed to, the reversing valve might be the sneaky culprit messing things up. So that reversing valve is what flips your system from heating mode to cooling mode, right? If it's not working right, you could be stuck sweating in the winter or freezing in the summer, which is just no good. First off, don't ignore weird noises or if your heat pump takes forever to change modes. It's usually a sign something's off with the valve. You want to check if the valve is actually shifting when the thermostat changes settings. Sometimes it just needs a little nudge from a pro to get unstuck or replaced. Also, keep your system clean and well maintained. Dirt and grime can jam that valve up over time. If your energy bills suddenly go through the roof but your house isn't feeling any warmer or cooler, that's another red flag. Don't try to fix this yourself unless you know your way around HVAC gear. Calling in a qualified technician saves you headaches and keeps your system healthy. Oh, and always make sure your thermostat is calibrated right, because if it's sending mixed signals, it can confuse your heat pump too. One of the biggest mess-ups with heat pumps not switching modes properly is ignoring early warning signs like odd sounds or inconsistent temperatures. People often just crank the thermostat hoping it'll fix itself, but that just wastes energy and wears down the system faster. Another common issue is skipping regular maintenance. When filters are clogged or parts aren't checked, that reversing valve can seize up from all the extra strain. Lastly, sometimes folks try to DIY complex repairs on the reversing valve without the right tools or knowledge, which can end up damaging the whole unit. The fix? Pay attention to those early signs and book a professional checkup. Keep up with routine maintenance every year, and never attempt internal repairs unless you're trained, because that valve is super sensitive. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who know their way around heat pumps and reversing valves. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to get more work, they make it easy to connect with homeowners ready to fix up their places.